If you have a 2009 to 2013 Toyota Corolla and are experiencing issues like your blower motor not working, or you have a noise like this, then watch our video to show how to fix or replace your blower motor. The first thing you will want to do is get on the front passenger side of the vehicle. Underneath of your storage compartment, you will see a plastic cover held up by 3 snaps. Push in to release and remove the cover. Here you will see your blower motor. Push in on the black tab to unplug the blower motor pigtail. Here you will see a metal bracket holding a couple of plugs. Remove the Phillips head bolt holding the bracket. You now have access to the 3 8mm bolts that hold in the blower motor. With the 3 bolts removed, you can see that the blower has fallen down a little. The wire going across is still holding, so the mechanic will now push in the black tab on the plug and remove the other wires. This is how you fully remove the blower motor on your Toyota Corolla. As you can see here, a piece of a napkin has gotten down in the blower and caused it to throw the fan off balance, causing it to make the roaring noise. We will not replace the motor because we feel that it is a good part, but we are curious of how the napkin got here in the first place. As you can see here, the cabin air filter was installed incorrectly and allowed debris to get past. We will now put the blower motor back in and replace the cabin air filter. Now that everything is fixed, it is time to try out the repairs. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to like and subscribe.